Alright, next we will be looking at the maximum rate known as Vmax and the Michaelis-Menten constant known as the Km. Alright, so this is things that we see when we analyze the graph showing the rate of reaction when substrate concentration increases. Okay, so the Vmax is the maximum rate of reaction achieved when substrate concentration is high, and the Km is the substrate concentration that achieves the half of the Vmax. Alright, so again, Vmax stands for the maximum rate of reaction, and it is the maximum rate of reaction at a particular enzyme concentration, temperature, and pH. So even though it is known as maximum, right, it is not the maximum, right? If we increase the enzyme concentration, or if the temperature and the pH are more optimal, then of course we can reach a higher Vmax. But for a particular enzyme concentration, temperature, and pH, we have a particular Vmax when the substrate concentration is high. The Km is the substrate concentration when half Vmax is achieved. Okay, and the importance of the Km value is for us to calculate the enzyme affinity that is given by 1 over Km. Enzyme affinity refers to how easy it is for the substrate to bind to the enzyme. The higher the affinity, the easier the binding, and therefore the higher the rate of reaction. Alright, so that is 1 over Km, Km being the substrate concentration at half Vmax. Alright, that would be Vmax and Km.